Ever found yourself staring at your Bitcoin wallet app and wondering, can this thing hold anything other than Bitcoin? You're not alone. It's a question that pops up for a lot of folks diving into the exciting, and sometimes confusing, world of cryptocurrencies. Think of your physical wallet for a second. It's designed to hold different denominations of your local currency, right? You've got slots for bills, maybe a coin pouch for smaller change. Now, when we talk about a Bitcoin wallet, the analogy isn't quite so straightforward. Bitcoin wallets, at their core, are designed to manage Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency. They handle the crucial private and public keys that allow you to send, receive, and track your Bitcoin holdings on the blockchain. However, the crypto landscape has exploded since Bitcoin's inception. We now have thousands of different cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique blockchain and set of rules. So, the simple answer to our initial question is, generally, a dedicated Bitcoin wallet primarily supports Bitcoin, BTC. But, like many things in the tech world, it's not quite that black and white. The capabilities of a Bitcoin wallet can vary depending on the specific type of wallet we're talking about. Let's break down some common types of Bitcoin wallets. First, we have software wallets. These are applications you can install on your computer or smartphone. Some basic Bitcoin software wallets are strictly designed for Bitcoin. They generate and manage Bitcoin addresses and facilitate Bitcoin transactions. However, the crypto space is all about innovation, and many modern software wallets have evolved to support multiple cryptocurrencies. These are often referred to as multi-currency wallets. A multi-currency wallet can indeed hold Bitcoin alongside other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, Ripple, XRP, and many more. The specific coins supported will depend entirely on the wallet provider. Popular examples of multi-currency software wallets include Exodus, Trust Wallet, and Atomic Wallet. These apps offer a convenient way to manage a diverse portfolio of digital assets in one place. They handle the technical complexities of interacting with different blockchains for you. Then we have hardware wallets. These are physical devices, often resembling USB drives, that store your private keys offline, providing an extra layer of security. One similar to software wallets, some basic hardware wallets might focus solely on Bitcoin. However, many popular hardware wallet brands like Ledger and Trezor offer multi-currency support. When you connect these devices to your computer, you can manage various cryptocurrencies through their companion software. This allows you to keep your private keys secure offline while still being able to transact in different coins. 1. TechAdvisor.com. TechAdvisor.com. Another category is online or web wallets. These are accessed through a web browser. While convenient, they often come with greater security risks as your private keys are typically stored online by the provider. Some online wallets are dedicated Bitcoin wallets, while others offer multi-currency support. It's crucial to research the security practices of any online wallet provider before entrusting them with your digital assets. Finally, we have paper wallets. These are essentially physical copies of your Bitcoin public and private keys, often printed as QR codes. By their very nature, paper wallets are specific to the cryptocurrency they were created for, in this case, Bitcoin. You wouldn't create a paper wallet for Ethereum, for example. So, to circle back to our main question, while a dedicated Bitcoin wallet primarily supports Bitcoin, the reality is that many popular and widely used wallets, especially in the software and hardware categories, offer multi-currency support. If you're looking to hold a variety of cryptocurrencies, opting for a multi-currency wallet is likely your best bet for convenience. Just remember to always prioritize security, no matter which type of wallet you choose. Research the wallet provider thoroughly, understand its security features, and take steps to protect your private keys. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.